Hello. I am Kat and my friend BP is recording. Yeah. So I'm just gonna be normal. I'm switching from Fredita to Kat, and so it's my normal videos and talk about stuff. So I'll have a softball game later, and whoopie-doo. So yeah, and there's this kid in this other class, and he is hot. His name is Matt.
I'm sorry, she finds that very funny.
This is my pig, Robert.
He was also a boy in my class.
Robert.
Say hi, Robert.
Say hi to the people.
And this is my sister's friend.
I got changed.
Okay, she's gotta change, so like.
And Madison.
Yeah, Robert likes Madison.
See, this could be Madison, and this is like Robert.
That was my sister's friend leaving the room.
Yeah.
Woo!
Okay.
Hey, y'all ready?
Nah.
That's my sister. Yeah. And so she's gonna be in the video too. She's a cheetah. Yeah. She do that again. That was random. Okay. Peace out for now.
Home dog.
Peace.
La, 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 la.